Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Cole and this is my Module 2 project for Flatiron School's software engineering program. Powder Mountain Park is a lift-assisted mountain bike park, and this app handles lift passes, rental gear, and lodging reservations. I'm going to walk you through the application's capabilities. I try to log in. This account doesn't exist. It's a new account that we're going to need for this example. And once we create the user, we can use this new account to log in. For this project, we went with function over form. We could have stylized this a lot more, but we decided to tackle more complicated methods. We're going to start with view my profile. So we can edit the user's info. We get notifications on the success. We go back to home, and I'm going to walk you through the other capabilities. At Powder Mountain Park, there's available lodging. These are all populated dynamically. The prices, the number of available campsites, and this is where you can go to see which ones are available. Also, you'd be able to see that through a reservation. As a proof of commitment to the sport, you can only rent lodging if you reserve a lift pass. This is because we're trying to foster a community of bikers only. If we go over here to the home, I'm going to walk you through the elements that go into a reservation. They are lift pass, rental gear, and the lodging reservation itself. This account is empty because it's a new account, and I'm going to walk you through the generation of a new reservation. So the one thing that is required for a reservation, as I mentioned, is a lift pass. Let's say we're trying to go just for the weekend, and we create this pass. Now it says that it was created, and it lets you know there's one pending. We can view this pending lift pass, and let's say we change our mind. Let's delete this one, and we're going to go back to the new reservation, and instead of just going for the weekend, we're going to go for the whole week. We create this pass. Then, since we want to travel light, we also decide we want to rent equipment. And we're going to match the same dates. Reserve that gear. We can also see the gear bag where everything gets grouped into. We can either delete it or go back to the reservation and finalize it. And then we are also going to reserve lodging. So we're going to go with a cabin because we want to stay in style. Finalize the reservation. We get sent to the reservations show page. We are showing specifically this reservation. These are all dynamic. You can edit these. Let's say, after seeing the price of the whole week's stay, we want to just go back to staying for the weekend. We edit this pass, price goes down. Go back to viewing the full reservation, and that's still too steep. Go ahead and make sure that we're matching whatever our lift pass was. So now we are going to go back to just staying for the weekend. We edit the gear. Now the price is going down. Then we can go to the lodging confirmation and say maybe we don't need to stay in a cabin. We're also going to edit this reservation to match the others, and we're going to stay at a camp since it's cheaper. Now we can go back to viewing the full reservation, and we see that this is more acceptable. Let's say for any reason we have to cancel this reservation. We can go to the current reservations. These are future reservations. Essentially, if they're occurring today or in the future, they'll be populated here. If they're already in the past, they'd be populated right there. Now we want to cancel this one. So now your reservation has been obliterated and our plans are canceled. In a manager's or an admin's account, we also have certain capabilities that are not available to a regular user. Here we go, and then we see these powers. Go to users, we can delete Frank since he's no longer visiting us. And then we can also delete any other accounts. We can create additional lodging. Let's say we wanted to create a more affordable cabin. That way we can capture Frank Reynolds next time. And then you create it. Then you could destroy this lodging if you made a mistake. You can also edit it. And then you could also go back to seeing the available lodging. It'll bring the price down of the cabins. And now there's more available cabins. If you want to see these other ones, you can also edit them. You can destroy them. And then we have other capabilities as an admin. We can also edit regular users' reservations. And this is pretty much the app's capability right now. We'd like to take it forward in having trail status and other things, but as of now, with 1 week's worth of progress, this is where we stand. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.